Hello, I'm Kunal Panigrahi, a lead technical support analyst at BMC. In this video, I'll show you how to enable debug on BMC Release Process Management or BRPM. BRPM version 4.4 onwards runs on JBoss application server. And to enable debug, we will have to set it on the JBoss side. It can be done in two ways. First one by editing the standalone.xml file in JBoss configuration. And in case of a cluster setup, it will be standalone-ha.xml file. The second option is to add the debug argument to the BRPM startup script. Now let me show you this in my setup. I have a BRPM 5.0 patch 1 instance. I'll go ahead and go to the BRPM install home, server, JBoss, standalone, configuration folder. This is a non-clustered instance, hence I will edit the standalone.xml file. Before making any changes, I will take a backup of the file. The section to look for is the root-logger. Change the jboss.logging.level from info to debug and save the file. I'll go to the logs folder and delete the old log file so that a fresh log file will be generated when I start BRPM. Now I will start BRPM by giving the BRPM service start command. I'll tail the server.log file and you can see all the debug statements here. Most importantly, you can see the underlying queries that are being triggered. Now this is the first method of enabling debug, and the second method I'll show you is by editing the startup script. Let me take a backup of the start.sh file. In case of Windows, it is start.bat file. We'll add a debug argument to the executable command. Again, since my setup is non-clustered, I will add the debug statement under the else section. -djboss.logging.level equals debug and save the file. I will revert back the changes in standalone.xml file and then initiate the BRPM service start command. Now you can see the same debug messages in the logs. So you can use one of these two methods to enable debug on your BRPM instance. You should always revert back the changes after your troubleshooting is done so that huge log files will not be generated. That's it for now. Thank you for watching the video.